Hello.
Hello.
Sanbano.
Senbano.
Wow, excellent. Yes. Sang Sambano. Do you know reply? Our answer is Sang Sambano.
Sen, yeah.
Yes. Good. And please introduce yourself again.
Hello, I'm Lorraine. I'm French and I travel 1 year in Asia.
Mm-hmm.
So, and I am Lauren's boyfriend, so we've been traveling together for 1 year now, and we spent 1 month and 3 weeks in Mongolia.
Wow. За ингээм Монгол улсаар 1 сар 3-7 хоног аялжсан Франц залуучуудыг би та бүхэнтэй уулзуулж байна. Тэгэхээр эдгээр залуучууд маань ер нь бол Монголоос гадна Азаар одоо 1 жил гарan бас аялжсан байгаа ийм залуучууд байна. Тэгээд маш их юм үзэж харсан байх гэдэгт итгэлтэй байна. I'm sure you visited very interesting places, not only in Mongolia, in the world, yes, in Asian country, yes. And then now I am asking only about Mongolia.
Okay.
And then what was very special for you in Mongolia? Can you say yes? Yes.
The special is the big space and the nature. Mongolian people are very close to the nature.
Mm-hmm.
They use animals for eat, for clothes,
Wow, thank you. За тэгэхээр
and for home.
Лорен маань хэлж байна. Монголчууд бол үнэхээр том газар нутагт тэгээд байгальтаа маш ойрхон амьдардаг юм байна гэдгийг бол бас онцолж байна. Yes, and how about you, Kevin?
So, yeah, what we really like in Mongolia is that the people, when you go outside of the city, they're really trying to preserve their ancestral tradition and their old way of living. So, everybody has a cattle, and this is very important, and they really depend on the cattle. So, that's what is quite interesting to see the link with nature and also the way of living.
Yes, you're right. За тэгэхээр kettle, yes.
Cattle.
Kettle гэдэг нь англиэр CATTLE гэсэн үг байгаа. Өөрөөр хэлбэл нөгөө манайхаар бол одоо таван гүшүү малын маань хэлж байгаа юм. Яг ингээ малынхаа ашиг шимээр амьдарч чаддаг ард түмэн байна гэсэн санаа байгаа. Yes, and thank you and please.
We have a few things to say more. Vas-y.
We listen very good music, traditional music. The throat singer and Dombra in the west part, Dombra.
Excellent. And how about you?
So, yeah, one more thing I want to say is that Mongolian people are very welcoming and very kind with us. You can stop anywhere in the steppe and go to a ger, and the people will welcome you with warm tea and some things to eat, and so they're very gentle with us, so that's something we really appreciated in
Wow,
Mongolia.
thank you. За тэгэхээр манай хоёр маань бол Монгол орноос өөр тэр хөгжим, тэгээ хөөми гэдэг энэ Монголын урлаг, тэгээ дуу хөгжим, яг үндэсний урлаг дуу хөгжим бол эндгээр Франц хүмүүстийг таалагдсан байна. Дээр нь Монгол хүн альч цаг үед одоо хаач ийм сайхан найрсаг нөхөрсөг цайтай ундтай байдаг нь одоо үнэхээр таалагджээ. Wow, so great. And in 1 month, 3 weeks, and this long trip for us, how for you maybe it is very short, maybe because to compare 1 year, and then I very appreciate your welcoming into Mongolia and sharing your experience. And then, what do you want to say to our Mongolians heartfully?
Welcome.
To our Mongolians,
Want to say? Yes.
We love Mongolia. And
Wow.
maybe we will come back.
yeah, we love
One.
we love Mongolia, and the country is so big that we can come back, and there will be always some new place to visit and new people to meet.
Wow, thank you. Have a
Thank
good
you.
trip. Are you going to back your home or no? Not yet?
Not yet in 1 month.
We go to Iran first.
Wow.
Yeah.
That is, have a good trip to the world, another countries, and to meet another people. Yes.
Bye, Ra.
Thank you.
Yeah.